So in this video, we'll be showing a technical feature that we're pretty excited about introducing with version 5.0, especially that we're the only Revit add-in publishers that have ever built something of the sort. That feature is the background clash detection functionality. Similar to the background PDF export feature introduced by Autodesk with Revit 2025, Clash Preventer's background clash detection allows you to keep working on your model while elements are being checked for clashes in the background. All manual modes that have been shown in the previous video have an equivalent background mode that can be accessed by displaying the drop-down menu for each of these modes. You can select many runs for any mode you want and they all would be scheduled to run in the background. To check the number of scheduled runs, the progress of the active one, or to abort them, you can just press the animated button on the lower right corner of the status bar. That button is animated while clash detection runs are being processed in the background, and once pressed, displays a progress dialog showing all those runs. That progress dialog can be hidden and accessed at any time later on. Note that this button opens the Clash browser if nothing is running in the background. While those clash detection tests are running in the background, you can just carry on with your modeling activity within the model without interruption, thus preventing you from losing time while waiting for those runs to be complete before being able to access your model. One thing to note is that while a background clash detection test is running, real-time clash detection is also queued in the background. Once you show the progress dialog again, you can either hide it, abort the entire run, or just display the clashes as they are being detected. The latter feature was suggested by one of our beta testers and it allows you to start solving clashes while the clash detection tests are running asynchronously in the background, without having to wait for the clash detection runs to be complete. The list would be updated with every newly detected clash while that user form is open. As with all the manual modes, aborting the tests would not dismiss the already detected clashes and would still show the ones that were being detected until the moment the abort request was submitted in the clash preview form. This is a game-changing feature that we are pretty excited about. Another new feature that was added to version 5.0 is the link-to-link mode, which we will be featuring in the next part.